The following is a demonstration of NoShock antistatic fiber effectively neutralizing an electrostatic discharge, or ESD, spark from a Van de Graaff generator. This Van de Graaff generator produces negative charges on the surface which can create a spark of up to 100,000 volts. Although this is extremely high voltage, the person will not be harmed due to the low amperage level. Static electricity effects can include the following: static cling in clothing, dust attraction to fabrics and other surfaces, nuisance shocks while walking on carpet, damage to equipment and diagnostic instruments, and most severe, injury or loss of life due to an explosion. With the person being unprotected, ESD sparks are transferred from the sphere to the body. This represents an extremely dangerous situation in an environment rich in gas vapor. Now, under the same conditions, but while protected with a garment containing NoShock fibers, the static charge is neutralized and no sparks are generated. This garment is routinely used as part of an Ascend manufacturing plant safety workwear program. The fabric is produced by Glen Raven using GlenGuard branded fabric, which includes a blend of Kermel and Modacrylic fibers for FR protection, along with 1% of NoShock anti-static staple fiber for static dissipative properties. Now we see that with only a single thread line of product 20-2-B3D, the static charge is neutralized. This 20 denier filament product is so thin that it is even difficult to see unless placed on a white background. As NoShock products and fabric constructions differ, NoShock percentage requirements can differ as well. Please consult your NoShock contact for advice when selecting materials and blend percentages. The following is a demonstration of how well NoShock fibers dissipate static charges. A swatch of fabric taken from the GlenGuard fabric on the inside pocket of the garment has been stored in the laboratory for more than 24 hours with conditions of 72 degrees Fahrenheit and less than 20% relative humidity. Using a static decay meter, the fabric is placed in the clamps and charged to 5,000 volts. The voltage is removed and the discharge time is measured. The fabric performance is considered excellent as it discharges within 1/100th of a second from the moment the 5,000 volt charge is removed. This particular GlenGuard material has passed the following test requirements: static decay per Federal Test Method Standard 191A, Method 5931. EN 1149-5 by meeting the static decay time requirements of Part 3, and the gas probe test, Shirley Test Method 138-2000. In review, in materials not including anti-static protection, static electricity effects can include the following: static cling in clothing, dust attraction to fabrics and other surfaces, nuisance shocks while walking on carpet, damage to equipment and diagnostic instruments, and most severe, injury or loss of life due to an explosion. NoShock anti-static fibers has a diverse product line and therefore a solution to most static electricity issues in a variety of materials. Please consult your NoShock contact to discuss your particular need.